In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write fractions. And previously we learned that each fraction has a family name, and this one is the thirds family. It's divided into 3 equal groups or equal parts. And it turns out that in Latin, the way you say to name in Latin is denominare, and I hope I'm pronouncing that right. So the family name we call the denominator, okay? So these, back to our thirds, are all denominators. Let's look at how to write that. I'm going to take one of them and write the family name, or the denominator. And there's only one of them, so instead of thirds, I'm going to write third. And I only took one, so I'm going to put the number 1 on top. So I have 1/3. Now, instead of writing out the word third each time, I can replace it with the number 3. So this also says 1/3. Let's do another one. Okay, here I have 1/2. We already did the thirds. Remember the family name of this one? These are the fourths. And if I take one of them, I have 1/4. Okay, these are the fifths. And if I take one of these, I have 1/5. What about this one? These are the sixths. And if I take 1, I have 1/6. What about this one? These are the sevenths. If I take one of these, I have 1/7. How about this one? These are the eighths. If I take one of them, I have 1/8. Let's do a few more. Do you know this family name? These are the ninths. If I take one of these, I have 1/9. Okay, last one. How about this? Yep, these are the tenths. And if I take one of the tenths family, I have 1/10. Now, we started with 1 whole. So we can write this. Remember, the family name are the ones. If I take 1, I have 1 of my ones. So I can write it this way. But I also know that this is 1 unit, so I can also write it as 1, like that. Okay, so today we learned how to write fractions, and we learned that the family name is called the denominator. And it means I've taken one whole or one unit and divided it into pieces, into halves, thirds, or fourths, or whatever I might have divided it into. And the amount of pieces that I take is called the numerator. Okay, this line right here is the sign for division. When we had our one whole, we divided it up into equal pieces. Okay, so that is how to write the fractions. See you next time.